What's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's jacobcrypobury here. We're going to look at HarmonyOne today. We've sent a lot of blood in the market and we've lost a key level of support, which I want to talk about with you guys, as well as some historical market cycle data. Also, just want to show something exciting on the channel that's happening at the moment. We're doing a giveaway of 100 BUSD or $100, and all you need to do to enter is simply head over to my Twitter down below in the description. It's just a way to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed and been following the content. If you want to jump in the Discord as well, that will actually increase your chances to win. So make sure you hop over and just simply follow those steps if you want to have a chance of winning that 100 BUSD in a few weeks time. So what's happening at the moment with HarmonyOne? We're trading at $0.094, so a lot of capitulation in the market at the moment. We're seeing a lot of fear as well. $1.1 billion market capitalization at the moment, and we can see we don't really have a lot of trading volume, which is probably a good thing because we don't want to see a lot of sell orders right now going through the actual exchanges. With HarmonyOne, I suppose we have been in a huge downtrend since, I suppose you could call this a double top position right over here, and since that double top we've just seen continuous downtrend and very bearish sentiment in the market. We got rejected at the attempt of breaking through the 200-day moving average on the 17th of February. We also got rejected at this key resistance at 0.18 on the 30th of March, which meant that we couldn't get back underneath the bull market support band, or back through, shall I say. So when we're below the support band, we're usually in a bearish sentiment, and that's what's happening at the moment. So look at what's happened. We can see big correction from the previous swing high. I'm all the way down 73%, so certainly doesn't look too good. And on the Fibonacci retracement side of things, to be fair, we're starting to look like we're in a good area to potentially actually reaccumulate, as we're sort of heading our way down to that 0.786 Fibonacci level around here at the 0.0837 level. And now I think that is probably a good area to be eyeing up a bit of accumulation. And if we are to head down to anywhere, I think, you know, the next particular range, because these are all Fibonacci supports and resistances, I do think the next area that we'll be heading down to is 0.0846 if we do see continuation to the downside. Now I think that relies on a lot of things to happen. I think if we look at Bitcoin, we need to see Bitcoin actually lose the $37.2K support level, which I don't think it's going to at this particular moment of time, in order to see capitulation for the rest of these altcoins and everything else. So it's a shame to see this particular market correction. We can see it's actually been a really big correction from 75%. The last time we had the correction from this swing high, it was 57%. So maybe this is a bullish area to potentially load up to get a new impulse wave. If we look at the Fibonacci extension and assume this was the market cycle bottom for HarmonyOne, when we go back into price discovery, which could happen this year or by 2025, we should at least be seeing $0.44 or 0.48 or even $0.53. So hopefully we can get an impulse at this particular level. I'm seeing a lot of diagonal resistance as well. As you see, these lows are we just cannot put through what we need to. So this is the diagonal resistance, and actually it's almost like a potential double bottom reversal could play out here. So that's my speculation, is that we could get a bounce off of this particular level of support. Maybe we come down a bit lower, but if we do retest, I think around $0.12 would be a key level to see us potentially break out to the upside for HarmonyOne cryptocurrency. So I just want to show you another quick thing as well. So what we got here is basically the Bitcoin liquid index for Bitcoin, and we can see this is a Brave New Coin chart, and this actually is a logarithmic chart, so we can see everything dated back from 2010. And what this demonstrates is each bull market cycle, we can see the market cycle top and the market cycle bottom. Each range represents the percentage drop from the top to the bottom, and we can see we had 94%, 77%, 85% over here, we had 82%, and so far the current market cycle has only actually shown us a 56% correction. So if we were to see that full-on correction in the market and assume we were also going to get like a 75% correction, which I don't really think is going to happen, maybe 70 at most, would be due to see a $20,000 Bitcoin. So maybe the idea of a lengthening cycle and diminishing returns is actually true in this market, due to the mass adoption and the growth of cryptocurrency that we've seen at the moment. On the total market cap side of things, you know, last time we also had our 2017 bull market. This is the altcoin market valuation, excluding Bitcoin. What we also saw is a massive drop of 92%. So all altcoins just completely lost their value. And what's happened this time round with the altcoins? Well, the most harsh drop we did see was a 60% drop. And the current drop we've seen from this swing high to swing low is actually 49%. So again, it's showing us how strong the market truly is becoming. If we go back to our standard version of this chart, we can also see that we're in the green ribbon, which does usually demonstrate a good time to be reaccumulating more cryptocurrency and actually buying. So again, it's another bullish factor. Every time we're in this green zone, if we dollar cost average in, we can sell when we're back in the red zone and start taking profits in those tranches nice and slowly. And yeah, for me, this is another dollar cost average level. If we go to the daily time frame, looks like we bounced off this support level here around, where are we? $999 billion market cap. And if we do break and lose a $1 trillion market capitalization, we'll be probably coming down to about 925 billion. So maybe we do get a bounce off this particular level. I think it's very, very possible. Super excited to see what can potentially happen in this market. Just want to say, guys, also jump into my Discord channel if you're new here. It's completely free, no strings attached. You're going to get some charts, you're going to get some leverage trading signals, you're going to get some DCA strategies as well. What else are you going to get? Some DCA charts and daily take profit and buy zones. So there's lots of goodies in there in the Discord if you need a bit of a hand holding through the crypto market to help enhance your portfolio. Just want to say as well, make sure you smash the subscribe button if you want to buy Harmony today as well. You can find down in below a description to the best exchange to grab some HarmonyOne. Make sure you enter the competition on the Twitter page. You can use that in the link in the description down below. Appreciate it, guys. See you soon.